Hello people, today I'm going to be making a video about the A1 or ADS amphibious rifle, which is basically going to be a deep dive into how this gun operates and how it works and all that. So let's go ahead and get some items. We'll get a proper mag. Okay, grab a black mag. And unfortunately it doesn't have any sights. I mean, it does have sights, but not too great. Excuse me. Give me a moment here. Let's see. Go ahead and spawn that in. Not bad. And for laser, we'll go ahead and go with something simple. And you can't really even see that in the side picture, so that's too good. And I don't think there was anything else that we really need for this gun. Alright. So the controls are pretty simple. It operates much similar to an AK, but it's basically the charging handle is right here. You pull it back and you whack around in. It's happening under here on the dust cover, and basically it's set to semi right now. So let's go ahead and fire one-handed shot off. So as you can see from that, around a jet going up diagonal. Let's do that again, and let's pay a little bit closer attention to it. And if you want to see something cool, we can turn this knob, which will open the gas valve and let the gases from the bullet travel out, so essentially making it a bolt action. Alright, let's line up a shot. Supposedly this method is really useful for underwater operation. Pretty cool. Let's close that gas valve. Alright, go ahead and set it to water. And you can see there, the charging handle is also the gas tube as well. So you basically have an AK style gas tube that's extended, and maybe put the charging handle right on top of it. And now here comes the fun part. We'll go on for 200 meters. Go ahead and set that down to 200. Alright. do anything special. Maybe I do. Sweet. And here we go again. Okay. And it basically has a lot in terms of grenade launcher sighting mechanics, going from 1, 2, 3, 4, and this little knob right here controls basically whether we want the grenade launcher to fire or not. Let me try shooting it while it's in this mode. Yep, you can't. Now, watch as I turn it. Okay, maybe I didn't load wound in. All good, it happens. And there you go. And I think you can shoot it left-handed. And yes, you can. One problem I can see is if you have your hand like a certain way, your arm going, and that blast might bounce and hit you, but if you keep it low, you should be fine. But best operations of the ADS amphibious rifle. Hope you guys like the content, and be looking forward to more videos like this. Thank you, and keep on watching.